Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to delete your YouTube channel on your iPhone, and now let's dive right in. Now, to delete your YouTube channel on your iPhone, you can do it from two ways. One is from the Whitey Studio itself, and another one is from the YouTube app. We will be proceeding to the YouTube app, so let's open it. And guys, after opening a YouTube app, before we proceed to delete our channel, you must be logged into that account of which the channel is based on. I have logged into the account of which I want to delete the channel. So with that being done, guys, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the profile picture icon over there. First tap on that, and after that, guys, you can see the manage your Google account option available for us over here. Simply tap on that manage your Google account first, and after landing over here, which is the home page of the Google account of your Gmail or your YouTube channel, and over here you can see there is the data and privacy option available for us just beside the personal info. Tap on that data and privacy first, and from over here scroll down to the bottom, at least until you can spot this option that says delete a Google service. And here it is, guys. It's not on the bottom but just above the bottom, and here delete a Google service. Tap on that delete a Google service option, and guys, in order to proceed to delete your YouTube channel, you'll be required to enter your password over here. So let's enter our password, and after that tap on next, and you'll log into your Google account and confirm that you are the person trying to delete a Google service. And over here, guys, you can see your Google services available over here: YouTube, Gmail, and Play Games. Now, in order to delete our channel, we'll be required to tap on the delete or dumpster icon just beside the YouTube. So let's tap on that delete icon, and over here, guys, it says either you want to hide your channel or do you want to permanently delete your content. So in order to delete our channel, guys, we'll be required to tap on that I want to permanently delete my content, and after that you'll be required to read these, which says the following will be permanently deleted: the contents on a channel, and after that any paid subscription that you own will be also cancelled. And with that being said, let's tap on both of these, and after tapping on those, guys, tap on delete my content button available over here, and then your YouTube channel will be deleted on the 48 hours depending upon the channel size, which means how much videos you have posted on the YouTube. And with that being said, guys, this is how you delete your YouTube channel on your iPhone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.